Developed and backed by Google itself, Chrome comes with a bunch of useful features alongside standard ones that come with most web browsers. If you've accidentally closed something important or are trying to check something you've looked at before, here's what you need to do. If you're using Chrome's desktop app, open a new tab. Then click on the triple dotted icon at the top right and mouse over History on the menu that pops up. You'll see a list of all your recently closed tabs. If you don't see what you want to restore from this list, click on History at the top to bring up a full list of all sites you visited while signed into your Google account since you've last cleared your history, if ever. From here, scroll down to approximately when you visited the site and click on it to restore it. On Chrome's mobile app, the process is pretty similar. Once the app is up and running on a fresh tab, tap on the triple dotted icon at the top right and tap on History to bring up all sites you visited while signed into your Google account. From here, scroll down to when you approximately visited the site and tap on it to load it in. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Google Chrome and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.